Hi, I'm Brent from Goso Cookware, and this is the Everywhere Pan. It's a carbon steel frying pan that has a completely removable handle. So we created this frying pan to have a premium quality piece of cookware that we could take with us anywhere. With the removable handle, it packs down super compactly. So you have a awesome 10-inch frying pan that has a really small packing footprint. You can use it anywhere you like to cook, from an induction cooktop to a campfire to a gas stove. It's good everywhere.
So the one thing I really like about this kit is that you can remove the handle, because trying to store a frying pan with the handle on it in a bag or a box is cumbersome, but then being able to remove it and stack it like that is amazing. And then you only really need one handle.
Yeah,
really.
The handle moves from pan to pan really easily. So while you're cooking, you can easily move it on. It doesn't have to lock on. You can hook it on anywhere on the pan as well, which is really nice too. So if you're cooking a campfire and the wind changes, you just go to the other side and grab it on the other side like so.
Can you show me how this handle exactly works?
Sure. It's quite simple actually. It's literally, the handle is 4 components. We have the lower assembly, the upper assembly, a screw, and a wire bail. And so the handle is designed to interact specifically with our pans. So it locks on like that. And just the pressure of gripping it keeps the pan on. It doesn't move at all. If you do want, you can just lock it on like that and the handle stays on.
So it's kind of like similar to tongs, right?
Pretty similar. Instead of tongs or a type of plier or something like that would be its most similar analogy.
Okay, and then is there any kind of special cleaning things that we have to do for these pans?
That's a good question. So being that it's a carbon steel frying pan, you would treat it just like you would a cast iron frying pan.
Okay.
Right? So you can season it so it becomes naturally non-stick. There's no toxic coatings, no Teflon, nothing like that on it.
Okay.
But when you're cleaning it, you can just clean it out with a wet paper towel.
Okay.
Put a little water, wipe it with paper towel. If you want, you can use soap and water, stuff like that.
Yeah.
But you generally want to keep it nice and dry once you're done cooking with it.
Right.
Yeah.
One question is, I know you say non-stick, and of course, when I think of non-stick, I'm thinking of Teflon.
Yeah.
So is it more similar to like a cast iron pan?
Exactly. Yeah. It works pretty much just like a cast iron pan.
Yeah.
So what happens is it starts as a raw carbon steel frying pan.
Right.
And then you season it. So you apply a very thin layer of cooking oil, whether that's canola oil or avocado oil, whatever it may be. And that oil polymerizes on the outside layer of the pan. So it starts to fill the sort of the micro pore structure of the steel. And then over time, it creates like a really slick non-stick like surface. So it's not as non-stick as something like Teflon.
Yeah.
But also you can't scratch it. It doesn't, It's not filled with toxins. You can cook it to any heat.
Yeah.
You know, it's easy to clean, all that sort of stuff.
Okay.
So
the benefit of this over a cast iron is that the fact that it's lighter.
Lighter.
Right? And then it's also, well, I guess cast iron is also induction cooktop.
Yep.
You can induction.
Yeah, cast iron is induction compatible. This is a lot lighter.
Yeah.
As well, the handle is a lot more functional.
Right.
Right. So you have not just a stubby short handle, but as you said, something that comes off. But also, if your heat's here, your handle's up and away from the heat.
Right.
And is a nice, comfortable, maneuverable design. So it's designed to be super ergonomic and easy to manipulate the food while it's in the pan.
Right. Yeah. And another thing I wanted to note is like it also has the benefit of the cast iron of it not being Teflon, to where you have to be careful on how you store it. Because with camping, like you just kind of want to throw it in a bin and like not have to worry about it.
Yeah.
And that's has that same durability.
100%. Like if you scratch it, it really isn't a big deal because you just season it again.
Okay.
And you're good to go. So yeah.
Awesome.
Generally we suggest not storing it where it can get super dirty or scratched. But most people do that anyways.
Yeah.
You know. So but yeah, you really don't have to worry like a Teflon coated pan where you know you only want to heat it to low to medium heat. Right. So you could eat, like, honestly, we did this a couple shows ago where like we seared off a whole bunch of steaks and then we like cleaned the pan and then fried an egg.
Nice.
Right? So it's like you can go from like super high temp to like low temp scrambled eggs.
Okay.
And it works really nicely.
Cool. And then I see you have some seasoned pans over there. Can we take a look at
for
those?
sure. Yeah. So these are my own personal pans close to my heart. And so this is what it ends up looking like after you've cooked a lot of delicious meals.
Yeah.
So what's neat too is they all get their own patina and their own kind of look. So everyone's pans will look a bit different. But yeah, so this is a set of pans that I've cooked on quite a lot. And you can see there's different scratches and different marks and stuff like that. But that's not a detriment whatsoever, right? Those scratches, like if you felt the surface, like you can't feel them. feels super smooth.
Mm-hmm.
You cook with a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, and like eggs are sliding around. It's really not a problem, whatever you're cooking with.
And how long have you been cooking on these pans for?
This one probably about a year and a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And I do take very good care of my pans, if I do say so myself. Right? So you do want to season them kind of out every time you cook on them.
Okay.
Or every couple times you rub it with a seasoning paste.
Okay.
So it's just like a beeswax paste, right? With oil. You do a coating of that.
Yeah.
And then you heat it up until it smokes.
Yeah.
And that will polymerize the oils on the cooking surface. And then you're good to go.
What is the price of the pans?
For sure. So our base price for our pans, a 10-inch pan is $149.
Okay.
An 8-inch pan is $139, and our kit is $199 for the 2 pans and a handle.
And one handle?
2 pans, 1 handle is $199.
And then how much does just the handle cost?
The handle on its own is $99.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we got a lot of other different iterations of what it's all about.
Yeah.
I will say before we go,
Yeah.
if maybe we to the jet
Let's
pass.
wait for this. Yeah.
Yeah.
This airplane to pass.
So what I was going to say is that Goso is our name of our company. It stands for Get Outside, Stay Outside.
Okay.
And that's kind of the ethos of our business is, not only do we want to make a really high quality product, we want to encourage people to get into the outdoors, eat a good meal, connect with the nature, connect with their friends, just get outside, stay outside, and enjoy your time outside together. So,
Nice.
yeah.
Well, thank you.